Okay, so this is how we're gonna enroll your membership. I wanted to make this video so you can see step by step how to do it and which way is the best way for you to enroll to get the best benefit for your business as well as your goals that we've discussed on the name list, the hourly goals that you've set in place, and how to get the best benefit out of your experience with Young Living. So I'm gonna go here on membership. You'll see right up here it says youngliving.com ENUS. So this is pretty much the English United States domain. So these websites will, well, the website will have various countries, and you'll see down here it gives you a drop down list, and then it says English, and the ES stands for Espanol, so Spanish. Here is Young Living Global. So you'll click on this link right here, and then you'll go under the country that you're based in. So these are all the countries that Young Living is presently doing business in. These are all marketplaces. So I'm going to take an example here. If you're in South Africa, you will click on South Africa, and then it'll take you to English ZA, which means English South Africa. You see how this changes now to South Africa's flag. You're now on the South African domain of Young Living's company website. So what you'll do is you'll click on Become a Member. So we'll click right here, and now I'm going to walk you through the enrollment. So there's two ways to do this. You can click on Become a Member up here where it says Become a Member, or you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see it says Become a Member right here, and you'll click on that. Then it'll take you through to the membership enrollment portion of the website, and that will give you the membership with the 24% discount on all your orders for life. So enjoy 24% of retail pricing on your favorite products. So it's going to be 24% off the retail, so pretty much wholesale. But then I'll show you how you can build your income rapidly, as well as also get another 24 to 30% off to get the best financial experience as well as the best product experience. So the membership, that's what we're gonna sign up for, and then it'll ask you right here. This is really important. I was referred by a member and have their ID number. This is important for you to click on this right here, because this will be where you will enter my organization ID. So that will be 11990016, and then you just repeat it, 11990016, and this is my membership ID. This will give you the 24% off here, and it'll also give you the 24 to 30% off on your what we call essential rewards. And let me show you how that works. It says South Africa, English, and then you click next there. It takes you through to the actual starter kits. Now here's the different starter kits that you can choose from. The premium starter kits has the Thieves Hygiene Enrollment Kit. That's 790 Rand. So the Ningxia Red Enrollment Kit is 1,472 Rand, and the Thieves Enrollment Kit with the entire Thieves line is 1,475. But the premium starter kit with the Dewdrop diffuser is by far the best value you're going to get for your money. If you had to go and spend for every single oil and buy them separately, with the diffuser you'll spend anywhere from 680 to 800 bucks. With the diffuser probably about 780 to $800. So for everything on the premium starter kit, you can click on all these kits here, and you can click on the product details. You'll see there's a CBD kit as well, but this is by far the best value for your initial buy-in to the organization. But any of the starter kits will work. Bear in mind you're going to have to do the 100 PV that you saw on the Silverbound video. But as far as this kit goes, just to show you a basic description here, you can see it right down here. And then the products that will be included in there will be peppermint, lavender, frankincense. There will be lemon. I believe it's stress away, pan away. So you'll get 10 premium oils plus the starter kit and some samples, and that would have equated to about $800 or almost 8,000 Rand. You're getting it for 2,268 Rand. So let's click on that by clicking the little checkbox right here. Now you've chosen your starter kit. And then it will ask you, Essential Rewards enrollment, yes or no. Would you like to enroll in Essential Rewards? Click yes, because this will give you the most savings, and it will also automate your recurring order so that you can get another 30% off on your monthly order, and you can change that out. You can change your Essential Rewards order out. It's a minimum of 50 required, 50 volume, so personal volume of 50 to be on Essential Rewards. But for you to build a check, remember how we said 100 PV personal volume, so you can just have your recurring $100 go off, so you never miss out on your paycheck, because these paychecks can become pretty substantial. You want to make sure you hit that every month. Now, do you want to use your premium starter kit as your first Essential Rewards order? Yes, you want to, because you want to get those points right off the bat. You'll get 10 points if I'm not mistaken. Now you'll see there's choose your Essential Rewards starter kit. Now you can do one of two things. You can choose a kit right here. You can do the Thieves Enrollment Kit. You see how this was the first starter kit? You can just do it on the enrollment, the Essential Reward enrollment side of the order, which means it'll come in next month. So the Ningxia Red Kit, same thing. You can just do it on Essential Rewards for next month. The best value will be to choose the Ningxia Red Kit, in my opinion, because of the antioxidant super juice and the energy that you can get out of these products, as well as another bottle of lavender, peppermint, and lemon oil. This is personally what I order every month on recurring orders, plus the extra stuff that I want. Now, if you wanted to do a customized kit, you want to customize your starter kit, you'll just click on that one. You saw how I did it there. I clicked on, you can just rewind the video and see I clicked on customize your kit. I'll just go back so I can show you. You see how it says customize your kit? You click that tick box. Now that will give you a customizable ability to build your package. Now let's say I wanted to do some Ningxia. Remember, 50 PV is the minimum, so make sure it comes up to 50. But if it is below 50, you'll just get an error. Now, if you make a paycheck as a business builder, you want to make sure it's 100 PV so that you can get your paycheck. So that's the only difference. Let's say I take the 60 milliliter singles for my Essential Rewards order. Now it comes up here. This is enough for me to do, it's above 50 PV, but because I want to be a business builder, you see how it's under 100? I won't get my paycheck, even if there's $10,000 of volume, and I am entitled to $1,500 of commissions in that and bonuses. I won't get that because it's under 100. So what you do now, you just click here and you do another order. Let's say I want to do the CBD oil. I will put it in here and I'd be like, okay, what's the best rate? Well, they're all the same. So let me do this one. Let me do the top one. And then I add it to my order. Now I come up to pretty much the same enrollment as the enrollment amount, but I'm above 100 PV. I'm at 166 PV, so I not only get the points, which would be about 16 points if I'm not mistaken. I believe it's 16 points, so whatever your personal volume is divided by 10 will be your points you'll get, so about 17 points actually. And then I will also get free oils because I chose this order. So every month when my Essential Reward order goes off, I will get free oils because I'm over a certain threshold. You get reward bonuses at 100, and then again at 250, and then again at 300 and at 500, and it changes month to month, but you can keep track on that as well. So let's say save my monthly order. Now I've saved it. Cool, that's the custom one, but let's say I change my mind. I'm like, no, I want to do the Ningxia Red Kit because it's the super juice and this is going to give me a great experience. Now I've got the premium starter kit and the Ningxia Red Kit. You click next, continue enrollment. Now it's going to take you to the field where it's going to ask for your full name. You put in your name, middle name, last name, and then you will scroll down and you'll put in, your country is South Africa. Now if this is America, you would have chosen America up here at the domain, and then you will put in your American address. And the reason why South Africans, for instance, should put in their South African name is because here's a part where they're going to ask you for your identification number or your social number. You want to make sure it's the one that you have in the country that you're based in, so that you can make a paycheck and pay taxes to your government, because it's an income you're going to be making. So your full name, your first, middle, and last name, your address, so where you reside, or where your business is situated, and this is also going to be where they will ship your order. So you can use that same address, your province, because in South Africa we have provinces instead of states, your postal code, and then your email, and you confirm your email. And here it says receive email confirmations, keep that box ticked, and then a secondary phone number if you maybe have a landline and you want them to be able to reach you there if they can't reach you on your phone. Sign in information, you're going to choose a username that you want to use. You're going to choose a password that's long, but you can still remember it. So it should preferably be small caps, symbols, numbers, capitals, and then a nice long password here. And your 4-digit PIN. You got to remember all these things. You got to remember your username, your password, and your 4-digit PIN that you will choose to put in here, because they're going to ask you for that, the 4-digit PIN, and your user membership number when you utilize the live chat in the future as a business builder or even a consumer. You'll use your PIN and your username and membership number, so keep that handy. So you'll see here, legal identification number. This is because they're going to pay you a paycheck when you build the business, or even if you're a consumer and you enroll other people, the commissions will offset the payment of your product, so it'll actually start paying for itself. Now, they'll pay that to you directly to your bank account or via check, but this is so that they can issue you a government tax form that you can apply, that you can just submit to your taxes at the end of the fiscal year. Here you'll put in your ID number, and that will be used, obviously, like I said, to use for your paycheck. Or if you have a passport number or an actual business number or an LLC number, you can put your identification, your entity identification number in here. And lastly, what you will do is you'll say, I have read and agreed, and you will click agree and continue, and it will take you through to the payment form. So that will go through there. So at this point, as you go through to the payment form, it's like anything else. Make sure that the card that you're using will have either the funds or the credit balance available for you to submit the order and to complete your setup here for your enrollment. And then like any payment online, you'll just put in your information, and it'll go forward, and you'll just say submit, and it'll finish out the order, and you will show up on my organization as a member in the organization, and we will get you plugged in right away with the training, right away with the courses that we have available, and we'll be ready to get you running in no time to set you up for the optimal success that you deserve. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and again, I will talk to you soon, and I am super excited to have you on board. Congratulations and welcome to the Young Living family.